Hey guys, welcome to our vlog. We're students from USTP here in Cagayan de Oro, and this vlog is part of our art appreciation project.
And we're super excited to introduce someone from right here in Cagayan de Oro City.
That's right. Today we're featuring Ma'am Cyril, a local poet who will be sharing the story behind one of her original works. So let's go!
Hi, I'm Sai. I'm actually a graduating student from Senior University as a psychology student. Psychology student. And I'm an artist, specifically a writer. And I also paint and a lot of arts. And nandito na ako pinagtanan. So what inspires me in writing is, siguro before, as a child, bata pa lang ko, mahilig na ako magbasa. So, kapag lang ko books sa ako ang school, and nag-una ako sa balay. So, mahilig ko magbasa until nga nag-high school na lang ko, tigil ko magbasa. Pero di ko naka-break. Kaya na, mahilig na ako magbasa. And then, from that on, na-inspire ko nga magsulat. Because, why not, no, di ba, maka-create ko of more words from myself, my own So, doon ako nag-start. And, gina-cater sa among school, sa like as high school nga, content sa itong mga writers na magician. So, fortunately, napasar ko. So, nag-inspire sa ko to write more in the near future. Okay. Nag-bring of sample, pero lang madala ko ba kay moral bugat? Kung siya ang sample. So, sinatala na mga publication. Ako na pamagod so yun na pag-edit. Wala lang gina lang portion kay English ko siya. So, mayroon pasabot na ng fiction, familiar mo yung mga may samples ko lang. So, muna buwan ng wika at interview ko mga people, So, more ng fiction din siya. Interview mga people, marami o newscaster because school, but through published books. Wala akong pangalan, if gusto ninyo i-clarify. So, muna siya akong isa ka example. Ako ang nag-issue for buwan ng wika ng event. So, invite. Privilege ko na ma-invite sa inyo. Sige.
Hello, I am Trisha Lucasio. I'm currently a fourth year BS Psychology student at Xavier Ateneo de Cagayan, and my form of literature art is prose and poetry.
So, Ate, when did you start with this art?
I started writing when I was in high school, junior high school, and I wrote even more during my senior high na years, and until college, ga-journal gyapon ko until now.
So, for this question, what inspires you to pursue this art?
What inspires me? It's more of personal, manggod akong writing. So, being able to express my feelings and writing it down and to be able to express myself.
So that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Once again, I'm Joshua G. Mendoza.
I am Tristan and Chamumas.
Justin
And we are Backstreet Boys.
Hey!